Alright, I want to make a video for, I heard in this car you can, in the E90 you can, the E90 and up, and the F series, like, I think it's like the 2009 and up, BMWs, the E90s with the iDrive system. The iDrive, for the 09 to, I think it's 2012, yeah. They can just play regular DVDs on it, but the emergency brake has to be pulled up in order to be able to watch movies on the iDrive. So a car has to be in park, and it has to have the e-brake, the emergency brake up to watch movies. So what I did was I bought a DVD, 2 DVDs or whatever. I had like some extra money on my oh shoot, on my Best Buy card. It was for free, so I had some credit on there that I didn't use, that they gave me for purchasing a lot of stuff. Yo, this is crazy. Like, I dropped this movie like 8 times. Alright, so we're gonna watch something else. So I'll put it in the DVD drive and see what happens. Pull the e-brake up. And it worked. You can watch movies in your car. That's crazy. I didn't think it was actually possible, but it is. Now, you can watch movies through your car as long as it's a DVD or whatever. You could make a DVD, I guess, and play movies through the DVD. I think the 2013 and up iDrive systems, you can put movies on a USB stick, and you can put it in the USB drive here and watch movies. These models, you can't do that, but you can watch DVDs on these. But you can't use the USB stick and put movies on the USB stick and watch movies. But with the 2009, I think the 2013, you can play DVDs, but the 2013 and up, the 2013 and up is the ones that you can play movies and MP4 movies off the USB stick. This is really cool. But you can only do it. That's why there's a coding where you can get coding for it, and you can watch movies when you're driving. But you're not going to be watching it. Your passenger's going to be watching it or whatever, while you drive, or whatever. So just wanted to show you guys, for the people that didn't know, that you can watch DVDs in your BMW E90 and F. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.